Hello, this is Lawrence Wetzel, and I am a solution consultant with Beyond 20. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a custom grid for a widget that can be placed in a dashboard for either the Blue client or the portal. As we can see here, I created this custom dashboard called My Dash. I put all the open incidents that are attached to me and a couple other widgets, but I don't want to see all this information on the open incidents that are assigned to me, that are mine, that I own. I can go through and drill down into these incidents here if I actually need information, so I just want this to be a little more summarized. So what we're going to do here is go into the Orange client. We're going to create a new blueprint, and whatever the widget is associated with is the grid that we want to create this under. In this case, it's incident, so I left click on incident and I go to edit grid. Once I'm inside of the grid, you can see the default grid is what I actually have attached to my widget, which is a lot of information for a smaller widget. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new grid. So left click on grid and new grid, and we'll call this custom grid 1. I'll go ahead and hit OK. I'm just going to drag a few items in on here, like the incident ID, the customer display name, and the description. Great. All right. And these are kind of taking up a lot of room, considering that I know the incident ID isn't going to be that long. So what I'm going to do here is set a default value for incident ID. Just left click on incident ID, left click on value, and we'll make this 80. Okay. Customer name, we'll do the same thing. Left click on it, left click on value, and we'll do 150 here for that value. And then description, we're going to leave it based on the field and also make it so it takes up the remaining grid, because it is the last one there. So I'm going to go ahead and save that change that I made, and I'll save it to a custom grid blueprint right there. Okay. And now I'm going to publish this blueprint. Now each time we publish a blueprint, we're going to need to reload the definitions that I just changed with the Blue client. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here once this is done being published. Perfect. Open up the Blue client again, go up to help, and we're going to reload the definition. So this is going to pull in all the new changes I just made. Let's go ahead and go back to dashboards. Let's open up My Dash. Okay, so the custom grid has not been applied yet. We're going to go and edit the dashboard. So back up to dashboards and edit dashboard. Right click on the widget that you want to change, go to widget properties, and right here under display settings you can select custom grid, and it's a drop down of all the grids that are out there, and you can see custom grid 1 is listed. We hit OK, and then voila. Much more tidier and easier to view incident area, so now I can drill into one of these if I need to and check out that ticket. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.